thing. We know that early childhood education and care is an extremely important start for young children. That's what we have to continue to expand upon, certainly not lose in terms of spaces. We know that well-trained, dedicated early childhood educators do a fantastic job with our children, and we know that parents want licensed, quality care that they can rely on and also that they can afford in this province. I have been pretty firm in my commitment to making sure that we have more child care in Ontario and not less. 4 out of 5 kids who need child care right now, if they wanted licensed care, 4 out of 5 wouldn't be able to get it. That's just not acceptable. You know, families are paying $15,000 a year for early childhood education or for child care, basically, child care services. That's unacceptable. $15,000 a year. It's more than a first-year university student, right? So you're paying the same kinds of fees as university kids are paying, which are outrageous as well. Let's face it. But for your child care services, and that's something that's just unaffordable for a lot of families. And we see what happens. Families turn to other kinds of care that aren't reliable in many cases, or that in fact end up not being the right thing for their children. So we know what happened when the government brought in early learning. We warned them that when they brought in full-day kindergarten for 4 and 5-year-olds, we were going to see a threat to the child care system. So it's no surprise to many of us, to myself, to Andrea, and others who have been active in this area, that we're in the pickle that we're in because the government didn't heed our warnings. They didn't heed our warnings that this was going to happen, and now it's happening. Now we're losing centers, we're losing spaces, we're losing good quality licensed childcare in the province of Ontario. And I'm really glad that so many of you have come out to talk to us about what your experiences are and the kinds of things that we want to see in terms of access to childcare in your community. So thank you for being here.